Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a install video for a windshield, the solid glass windshield there, the tempered glass, the hardest one for winter. They're the best for unfogging and all that stuff, and they don't scratch or anything with the ice in the winter and all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna install this. So basically all you get in the kit are two of these, and basically they lock into place. They slide in down here like so in the back on the windshield. So basically you slide it in, it'll lock, and then once it's locked, that's done. So you got two of these, and then you got the mirror bracket in the back here, which the top of the glass, there'll be two screws that come in that's already mounted on the glass with a little bracket, and that's where that's gonna hook. So if you got a top cap on and there, whatever, you don't wanna take it off, just remove your two quick thingies, to lock your roof in place. Just remove those two, and then I'll give you room to raise it. So basically loosen Velcro straps for your roof on both sides, and that will give you easy access to raise the roof enough, because it basically only goes in about that much underneath. So if you're like me and you got you went and put your light there on top there, so that's it. That's all you need to do. So we're gonna time lapse this and then show you what it looks like after. And that's my glass that I'm putting back on. So simple as that. So see you on the time lapse. We'll catch you in a second.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
All right, so now that the windshield's on, so basically, as you can see, there's a bunch of little locks here. So you line it up. I don't know if they're all like this, but mine is stiff as hell. Like, so I basically gotta tap it down every time till you see this little pin here where it shows that's where it's released. That's where it locks. So basically, you heard it snap into place. It's good. Next one's the same way. So you sit it at the second mark and you try to make it to the first mark, right? So this one's easier, and I don't understand why the other one needs to be tapped in, that one doesn't. So that's that for that. Now all you got left is this in hardware. So two screws with a plate and nuts, and two nuts. There's already two bolts in the windshield. So basically, this is the hardware you're gonna need in this bracket here to install the front, and the bracket goes in with the curve facing this way. So as you can see, it goes in right here. So find a spot to put your stuff. Start off with the and all you need for tools is a T30 and 10 millimeter. So that's that for that. And if you want, you can loosen up your camera so you get a better view. So oops, where is this? And then your 10 millimeter and your T30. So that's all you need to do, is tighten those two and then tighten the top ones. Which the top ones, you can use this, an extension, straight down, and then you get them faster. And that's it. Basically, I'll tighten the other one. You guys don't need to see that. So that's basically it. And that's what you get there for the windshield. So now that's going to be nice and toasty warm. So yeah, that's fun. So now I'm going to install the wiper, which is basically, this is what it comes with, a nut. But you have to get the kit for the wiper and the windshield washer, which is bolted there. And then you just hook this in here, line it up where you want it to go, and then you got yourself a wiper. But you guys don't need to see that. So basically, all right, so that's it. So thanks guys for watching again. We'll catch you on the next one. And be safe for now. But thank you for subscribing. We finally hit the 200 mark. Appreciate you guys all for that. So we'll catch you later. All right, bye for now. They always put these things in the most annoying places, eh? They couldn't have just made it simple. Stretched out your arms, line up the, I wonder if I should have grabbed a T30 on a 1/4 inch, and have better glass clearance. Yeah, this will take longer than the whole entire video took to do. One little shot at a time. If I can, I just don't want to break the glass. Because any glass at an edge, so easy to chip and crack. I'm glad we only do this twice a year. Next one. Yeah. Are you guys still here? Thanks for watching. I don't think you guys want to see me struggle and complain, so we'll close this video. All right, bye.